Hey guys, it's Wendy here from Cotton Candy Corner. Welcome to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. A big hello to my friend Kiara Sky. Vroom Vroom. Let's take a look at all the farm animals. We have cows in the barn. We have a mother pig and a baby pig. Look, there's Minnie and Mickey. Down below them are some sheep. There is a border collie and also a big cat. There are some baby kittens and some baby bunny rabbits. There's more baby bunny rabbits and a mother rabbit. There's a big black cat with white paws. There's an owl, and way up high there's an eagle, and it has eggs in the nest. Down below we have some horses. Let's listen to some music from Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse. It looks like it's time to go. And here's a car with the number 1 on it. And I think Mickey and Minnie both want to go for a ride in the car. Vroom vroom. And now it's Mickey's turn. There goes Mickey. Vroom vroom. Thanks for watching Cotton Candy Corner. Click on a picture to watch another video from Cotton Candy Corner. See you again soon.